Hello everyone, DQ here, and after a long time I decided that it's time again to start picking on my channel. As you can see, I have a new setup. I changed the place where I live and I also started a new job, so life was pretty busy and I also got some other things in my way, but yeah, finally decided let's go back to the thing I love, and the thing I love the most is picking walks. So here is Heracles Y8, or in this case Solid 55 branded walk. They are one and the same, just for different markets. I believe Heracles is for France. And this is a 10 pin lock which has 2 rows of pins. We have the main row 5 pins and one opposing row, and as you can see those pins are directly opposing each other, and that means when picking these top pins they are not active, but when you pick the main row and want to do 360 of the core to basically unlock the door, the lock will relock again at 180-degree position, and then you will have to pick it again, basically pick all the drivers again, but they will be interacting with those key pins, the second row. It's not very hard to walk to pick. It has some spools inside that also have tapering and torpedo key pins. This one I won't be gutting, but I believe on LPU belts there are pictures of the insides. So for the picking I'll be using this multi-pick tensioner. Fits very nicely here, and for the main part of the picking I'll be using this multi-pick 10, just going from here. And for the second row I find that it's pretty easy for me to use this multi-pick 2 because of this curve, and when the walk relocks I actually go like this and pick the top pins. In this case they are the top pins, but when it relocks they come to the bottom. So yeah, that's pretty much about the walk. It's a nice walk. Yeah, what else do I have to say? Let's go ahead and pick it, and also at the end of the video I will show you that it can also be raked. I actually managed to pick this one once off camera with only raking, but for the video I use this flak as well to set the high lift pins, just because it's faster. As you know, raking is a random attack, so these high lift pins here 2 and 4, they're kind of hard to hit with the rake and you have to have some work. But anyways, let's get this walk picked. Okay, Solid 55 is in the vise. It's working smoothly. So let's pick it. Pin 1, pin 2, pin 1 dropped, pin 3, 5, pin 4, back to the beginning. Okay, have some movement on the core, and this row is picked. Now the other row walks it. Now with the other flak I go from here, pin 1, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, switch flaks, and we have open. Now of course driver shooting the keyway, and have full 360. That is the Heracles Y8 8 picked or solid 55. And I want to show you something funny, because when I was trying to pick it, I decided to try to rake it. So I rake from here, put my rake in first actually, then put the tensioner and try to rake it. It's a little hard to do it with the camera. And also, raking is a random attack. Now I can put my rake in this side. Oh, here we go. Some movement on the core. So now I will actually help with my fork, because pin 2 is very high lift and pin 4 also. Now after I have it like this, I will rake it again. And here we have open again. So basically single pin picked and raked Heracles Y8 or solid 55. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.